Alright, we're going to try to take this little tiny piece of wire here and connect it to this power converter. It's actually a connector. It's power, from the outlet. This gets plugged into your laptop, this end. And this goes to the motherboard. But if you can see, it's a little where's the freaking camera? There's the little red wire right there. It's disconnected. So there's a gold portion above it. And that's what we're going to attempt to do right now. So I'm going to pause this and see if it's successful or not. Otherwise you're going to hear a lot of cursing because it's real small. Oh, anyway, we're making a kind of a cushion for the cell phone holder so it doesn't break the glass. So we do that by heating up this right here, rather than trying to melt the styrofoam onto the styrofoam itself. We're going to heat up the metal and then just stick the styrofoam to it. So it should work. Yep, works like a charm. No glue required. I don't know if I got enough of the edges here, but basic idea is now we can use that to hold a cell phone. Imagine that's a cell phone. There's your stand without it breaking the glass. So that's where you're going.